To use PayPal Pay in 4. Start by ensuring you have a PayPal account and are eligible for this service. PayPal Pay in 4 allows you to split your purchase into 4 payments, with the first payment due at the time of purchase and the remaining 3 payments due every 2 weeks. First, find a merchant that accepts PayPal Pay in 4, and proceed to checkout as you normally would. When prompted to choose a payment method, select PayPal. You will then be redirected to the PayPal website to log into your account. Once logged in, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the total amount and the payment schedule. If you are eligible for PayPal Pay in 4, you will see this option displayed. Select PayPal Pay in 4 as your payment method and review the terms and conditions. PayPal will then split your purchase into 4 equal payments, with the first payment due immediately. The remaining 3 payments will be due every 2 weeks. You will receive reminders before each payment is due, and you can also track your payments in your PayPal account. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. If you are unable to make a payment, contact PayPal to discuss possible options. PayPal Pay in 4 is a convenient way to make purchases without having to pay the full amount upfront. But it is crucial to use this service responsibly and only make purchases that you can afford to repay. To avoid any issues, always review the payment terms and conditions carefully before making a purchase using PayPal Pay in 4. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover each payment, and set reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and using PayPal Pay in 4 responsibly, you can enjoy the flexibility of splitting your purchases into 4 payments, while also maintaining a healthy financial situation.